Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Jacob from uniquephoto.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality photos to Facebook using Photoshop. Now the reason for this video is because I belong to a lot of photo communities on Facebook, and I've noticed that when I upload photos, they're not uploading in the highest quality. And the reason for this is because Facebook automatically, because since they get so many images, they compress the images. So if you notice here, this is our Facebook defaults. I'll read it to you here. It says we automatically resize and format your photos when you upload them to Facebook. To help make sure your photos appear in the highest possible quality, try these tips. Resize your photo to one of the following supported sizes. Regular photos 720, 960, or 2048. Cover photos 851 by 315. Now, the size that I'm going to be resizing my images to is just a 2048. Now I'm going to show you how to do that using Photoshop. So first I'm going to open up my Lightroom here, and this is the picture that I want to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to hit edit in Photoshop. And then the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go to image size, and where the height is, I'm going to change that to 2048. Then you're going to click OK. You're going to make sure that resample is on. You're going to make sure that bicubic sharper reduction is on as well. And then you're going to hit OK. And if this is too small for you, you can hit fit on screen. And then what I do is I go back here to filter, sharpen, unsharp mask. And then I usually have these settings. I usually have the amount to 70. The radius 1.5 with a threshold of 25. These are my personal preferences. You can always play around with it to see what best fits you. So what I usually do is that I usually put the eye in the box to see how sharp it's gonna be. You're gonna press OK, and then you're gonna go to File. You're gonna hit Save As. You're gonna name the file, and then you're gonna go here where it says Format, and you're gonna do PNG. Then you're gonna hit Save. Then another box is going to come up, and then you're going to make sure that large file size is selected, and then you're going to press OK, and then it's going to save to the destination that you selected. Then you can go ahead, you can quit Photoshop, create a post, go to wherever it is that the destination where you saved the photo, click OK, put whatever it is that you want to put. In this instance, I'm going to put my son, Jeremiah. Wait for it to finish loading. Then you're going to hit share. And there you go. See how sharp it looks now compared to before when they will compress your photos. The reason why is because we compressed it to what Facebook wanted, which was 2048. We sharpened the image. That way it can look nice and sharp on Facebook. So that's how you're going to upload high quality photos using Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you like these kind of videos, go ahead, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to receive notifications. Once again, this is Jacob from uniquephoto.com. And always remember, peace, love, and creativity. Laters.